It's day 5 of DIYing my powder room while my husband is out of town, and to pull the curtain back a bit, TBH, my husband is now home, so I wasn't able to stick to my original timeline, but the makeover must go on. I started today off by putting a second coat of paint on the walls, and I am somehow falling in love with this color even more. It is so good. And then I turned the breaker off so I don't electrocute myself because it's time to switch out this light fixture. The old one that's there is definitely from 1998 when the house was first built. Not so cute. And not put in very cute either. What the fuck? Okay, bye. Time for a new one. I grabbed this new one from Home Depot. It's by Hampton Bay and is much more modern and sleek. And while switching out a light fixture is something totally straightforward that you could definitely do, again, make sure you turn off the breaker first. It's very straightforward, but I do recommend having a buddy around if you can, because by the end, my arms were shaking. I could not hold them up any longer. Unfortunately, light bulbs are not included, so we'll handle that tomorrow. And I just finished the day off in the dark, doing some touch-ups around that light fixture. Follow for day 6.